Learn about Santa Claus and how he's gonna break into my house at night. Got me to thinking that this don't sound quite right. So Santa, if you're listening, you better be ready for a fight. Jingle bells, I'm ready to raise hell, gonna chase that man away. Oh, what fun it is to bite Santa on the way. Jingle bells, I'm ready to raise hell, gonna scare him far, far away. Next time Santa's gonna think twice before he invades my personal space.
It's the new Santa.
Dexter, you should know that Santa isn't prey. He's just a jolly soul who brightens children's day. Brings out gifts and toys to good little girls and boys. And this includes pups like you, as long as you don't chase them all away. Are you serious? Oh shit. Jingle bells, I raised a lot of hell, I chased that man away. Oh, what fun it was to bite Santa on the leg. Jingle bells, I raised hell, I chased Santa far, far away. Now I need to think of a plan to get my presents anyway.